Hello friends, I am actually in Woodbury right now. I'm shooting some content for Zipcar, but I wanted to start off this vlog. Hello, what's up if you're new here? Hi, I'm Gabby. I am a New York City based life and style content creator. I'm also a PhD student at NYU, and today we're shooting some content for Zipcar, which is exciting. I'm about like an hour outside of the city, just did some holiday shopping for my family, so that was a lot of fun. But I'm in this cutie little Volkswagen that you can't really see, but I'm about to head to Target and Home Goods for like 30 minutes just to see what they have. But yeah, let's do it. What's up? I'm in my kitchen. It is Monday. I am trying to make some chili and I've already run into problems, but that's okay. We figured it out. We were resourceful. My advice to you is if you're moving into an apartment by yourself, make sure you have all the appropriate kitchen tools because I did not have a can opener. So I had to somehow jerry-rig this can open of beans, so I got them out, but using a spoon. Google it. It worked kinda sorta, but then I got tired of doing that and ended up taking my handy toolkit out and using these pliers and then just yanking the rest of the like metal off. Would highly recommend. I have to check my beans to make sure there's no metal shards in there, but I think I'll be okay. I think I did it. I think I succeeded. But now I'm gonna put the power tools away and just cook. These aren't actually power tools. Sometimes I feel like I'm joking, but I feel like you like people watching this video are like don't know that I'm kidding. I'm kidding. So we are gonna make a white chicken chili. I have my ingredients. The recipe is on Half Big Harvest. I will link it down below. I made one of her soups. It was a tortellini vegetable soup and it was very good. So I got that. So now I have this like very dangerous like metal can. So we're gonna maybe put that away and deal with that later. But I have all my ingredients here. So I've got some salsa verde, these poblano peppers I got from Whole Foods yesterday, a jalapeno pepper, a yellow onion, some garlic, a lime, and then an avocado that will go on top. We've got some low sodium chicken broth that we need, olive oil, we have cheddar cheese, and I'm gonna go get my iPad. I like cooking with my iPad. It's like I can prop it up and just kind of vibe. But those are all the ingredients, I think. So not like crazy. I think I bought everything at Trader Joe's aside from the peppers. And it was like 30 bucks. And I think it makes like 6 servings. So we shall see. I think I'm gonna half the recipe. But we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, today was quite boring of a day. I had my weekly meeting with my PI. If you're not a science person or if you're new to my videos, I think I say this in my intro, but I'm a PhD student. I work in a biomedical sciences lab. I do mostly cell biology stuff. I'm a little bit of pharmacology. So I'm really interested in therapeutics, and that's kind of me. That's my vibe. We're gonna wash our hands real quick again. Get that bean juice off. But yeah, so that's what I do. But I have my weekly meeting with my PI, which I really like because we just kind of chat. Sometimes it's about science things, sometimes it's just about life things. Like we talked about what our lab holiday party was gonna be today. I mean, also experiments and stuff, but we talked about that. We're thinking like maybe bowling or shuffleboard or karaoke or something fun and spirited, you know. My lab is cool. It's growing a little bit. We have new people in the lab. I think it's the biggest it's ever been, but it's also the biggest since I joined the lab. So that's exciting. My PI is very cool. But let's go ahead and get my iPad. And I think tonight, I think I'm gonna make it in my always pan. It holds 10 quarts, and I think if I half this recipe, it should fit in here. So I think that's what we're gonna do. It's kind of what I want to do. I want to use my always pan, you know? When I'm trying to cook more interesting things, I'm gonna listen to Adele's new album for the 57th time, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be good. Also, I'm gonna just like chop the veggies, probably insert some clips. I mean, I think we all know how to chop vegetables at this point. And I'll try not to cry on camera, but I feel like as soon as I get to the onion, my little love will come on, and that all bets are off. I'll try not to embarrass myself. That's really my goal in most things. Also, I always buy the garlic that's not pre-minced, and I regret it every single time. But it's okay, it's cheap. It's like literally like 90 cents. So I have no excuses. It is Thanksgiving, Thursday night. I don't think I've talked all day because I've just been super busy running around, but I finally finished up most things. The yams are in the oven and they're kind of making me late. I'm going over to Michelle and Eileen's apartment to have a little Thanksgiving feast. Yeah, so I'm going over there, but I'm gonna leave these yams in. I did some candied yams. I'm gonna leave them in for like 2 more minutes and then I'm gonna head out. I need to see when the bus is coming. I'm also bringing alcohol. So this Sandeman kindly sent over to me. It is a Ruby Porto. It says to serve chilled. So hopefully we have some ice cubes. But I'm bringing this, and the brand sent me 2 bottles. But I'm gonna bring the Ruby Porto, and they said a good cocktail is this on the rocks with mint and an orange peel. So that's what I got. I also made macaroni and cheese and green beans, so I have that, but I'm gonna put the sweet potatoes at the bottom. And I'm gonna wrap that actually in cling wrap, I think, as well, just in case some of it spills out. It's in like a candied sauce type situation. But yeah, that's what we're working with. I got the outfit, just doing my usual like white button down with my oversized sweater. I have some like black knit shorts on. that you can't really see anyway. And then some tights. That was very quick. But I'm wearing like little booties. But I'm gonna be in their apartment, so obviously I won't have my shoes on for long. But yeah, it's kind of cold outside, so I'll put on a coat as well. But it is hot in here. That's the vibe.
Hey, buddy.
Hello.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Wow, hi.
Hello. It looks pretty fire.
Set the vibes with some tune.
Do it. Do it. Oh,
Okay.
Sorry.
I'm gonna go take it to the microwave now. We don't want to eat in silence. We want to eat.
We've got a spread going. I made those yams. And some other stuff that's over there.
Turkey's warm.
Turkey is warm. Aline is happy. Hello. And beautiful table styling by Michelle.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
This is... Look at that plate. Did I get everything? No. Great. Oh. Hello friends, what's up? It's now Saturday. It's been a minute since I've vlogged, but it is Saturday afternoon and I've been in my apartment all day. I just shot a campaign on my DSLR, which I haven't done in a minute. But yeah, that was pretty stressful. I'm like low-key sweating, but that's okay. It's all good. Got the pics. I think I'm going to see House of Gucci tonight. I'm very excited. And I haven't been to the movies in a while. I usually go pretty often. I have the AMC A-list that I really like. So basically you pay like $24 a month and you can go see up to 3 movies every week, and that includes like IMAX, Dolby Digital, all the goods. But I love A-list. I feel like I've gotten several people in my lab to join A-list as well because I pretty much go and see everything. I love movies, big movie person. But yeah, definitely would recommend. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make some coffee because I haven't had a coffee today and I would like one. So we're gonna do that and just chill out for the rest of the day. I did finish a book recently, so I will do a little review. Give me 1 second. So I've been keeping all my books under my like glass vanity thing. So I finished this book called Tell Me Lies, and it is really bad. Both of the protagonists just kind of suck. So I did read the whole thing because I feel like when I start a book, like I have to finish it or else I can't start any other ones. But it was not my favorite. I did not like it. It's okay. It's all right. You don't have to like everything. I think that's totally fine. Ordered a couple of books from Folio yesterday. When it was Black Friday, they're doing a sale, 15% off. You can get an additional 10% off when you use my code. I think it's just my name, Gabby. But yeah, shop small, shop local. You know the drill. But, oh, I did get this cool thing in the mail. Let me show you. All right, so I got sent a gel manicure kit, which I'm so excited about. I mean, obviously my nails need massive work. But I was super excited. It's from the brand Manucurist, I think is how you say it. It's a French brand, but it is so cool. So they sent me this like gel thing, and then it came with like cuticle oil. These are really cool. It's like the little clips that you can put on your nails to like hold the like cotton ball. Also, this was not cuticle oil. This was nail polish remover. So nail polish remover. This is the cuticle oil, I believe. Another set of the gel remover clips. And then they sent me a top coat. They also sent a base coat. And then 3 colors, like a peach, a khaki green, and then a lilac color. So super fun. I'm really excited. Also, these stickers are super cute as well. So yeah, thank you, Manucurist. I'm really excited to try this. I might do it tonight, but we'll see. we'll see what's up.